downshifting or upshifting in the middle of a corner, this video is for you. One of the biggest mistakes newer riders make is waiting until they're already leaned over before they decide to shift. Instead, get your braking done first. As you're slowing down, choose the gear you'll need for the entire corner. That way, once you lean the bike over, your only job is looking through the turn and being smooth on the controls. What about upshifting in the middle of a corner? Most of the time, don't. Shifting while you're leaned over can upset the bike and distract you from your line. It's much smoother to stay in the same gear, roll on the throttle through the exit, and once the bike starts standing back up, that's when you make your upshift. The goal isn't to use the most gears, it's to make every corner smooth, predictable, and controlled. Experienced riders, did I miss anything? Drop your best twisty road tip below so new riders can learn from all of us.